All right. Great. Sounds great. Lovely. Oh, all right. Lovely stuff going on here. Got it. Boom. Booey. Are interested. Lovely stuff. That's lovely. Alright, setting up stream. There we go. Alright. Let me be right back.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sitting contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wondering. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh.
Alright, hello. How are you guys? Welcome to the stream. You guys. Alright. So today we will be doing a Minecraft hack client because, you know, that's, you know, what I want to do. And we're going to be using FabricMC to be making the hack client. Alright. Not sure if my vocals sound okay, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if the music's louder than my voice or not. Or if you guys can even hear the music and, you know, other things. So we'll see. Alright. So first thing we're gonna have to do is we're going to want to download we're gonna want to download IntelliJ idea. So you're gonna want to download this, and when you get this downloaded, we can begin. Well, I'm going to be using IntelliJ, so let's go ahead and launch that up. One second. Alright. And there we go. Boom. Alright. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Hey Classy, how you doing? Thanks, Salty, I appreciate it. Dude, I found this wallpaper while I was just scrolling through Steam, and I was like, alright, I need a good weeb Steam wallpaper. Which one should I use? And I found this one. So, yeah, that's how it turned out. So yeah, let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and you're going to want to go ahead and install the Minecraft development plugin once you've downloaded IntelliJ. That way we can go ahead and create an easy to make project. So you're just going to click a new project, Minecraft, Fabric Mod, and click next, group ID, net, aspect network, version 1.0.0. Next, we're going to name the mod aspect MC. Like that. Yeah, something like that. That sounds fine. Let's see. Yep, that should be good. Alright, that's fine. Alright, so next we can go ahead and we're going to build this for 1.16.4 because 1.16.5 just came out, so I'm just doing 1.16.4 because I don't know anything about, I don't know what changed in 0.5, so we're just going to do 0.4 for now. Then we're going to make the description FabricMC hacked client. Sure. Authors, me. Website, obviously my website. Aspectnetwork.net, by the way, guys. Go ahead and hit that up. There's currently no repository. So we can go ahead and click next. The project name is AspectMC. And we're going to go ahead and finish. And boom. Alright. So the thing about this is we want to go ahead and load the Gradle project. Once this loads up like that, and what we're going to do is we're going to want to go to Gradle settings. We want to go and use IntelliJ and IntelliJ for both of these, and we want to make sure our project SDK is using Java 1.8. There you go. So we do that, we can go ahead and go to tasks. We can go to Fabric, and we're gonna right click on gen source, and or we're gonna double click on gen source. That way we go ahead and gen the source code or the Minecraft source and everything and all that fun stuff. Lovely, lovely. Lovely stuff, homies. Oh man, when are we gonna play CS:GO again? That's a great question, honestly. I don't know. I play a lot of Counter-Strike in my free time, but I usually don't play it on stream anymore because I get really competitive sometimes about it, and it drops my frames a lot sometimes. So I really don't like to stream with it, and that's basically all that it is. That's the reason why I don't like to stream it, at least personally. All right, we're just gonna wait for this to finish up. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yep. Okay. Source. Main. We're still waiting for it to generate. Great. Come on, you can generate sources. Ah, forget it. I'll just run it here. Gradle w dot bat. Gradle w dot bat. Dot bat, and then we're just gonna gen sources. That. There we go. There we go. All good, all good. How lovely, how lovely. No mod for you, Mr. Big Cat. Grr. All right. How's, by the way, guys? How's the sound quality? Like, can you guys still hear the music and me at the same time really well? I don't know. I don't really know how good it is. Mute up. Why is my mic so shit? Oh, thanks, Vissy. Kind of mean. That kind of hurts my feelings, you know. Actually, speaking. All right. Let's go ahead and we can turn this down to 75, and we can go like turn this up a little bit, like that. There we go. That should be good enough. All right, we've gone ahead and generated all we needed, and if I remember correctly, we don't actually on client initialization. If I'm gonna do this how I did my other one, let's say, yeah, let's say forget it. We're gonna turn this into like that. We're gonna do public unum aspect net aspect network. Wait, I don't need this. Not in here. We want to change this one. Public unum like that. Boom. Like that, and we need to do that. There we go. Lovely, lovely stuff. When we do this, we can go ahead and start defining what we want. So we're going to start with string mod underscore name equals aspect MC, and public. That's right, public Excuse me. What to do wrong? What I already do wrong? Excuse me. What do wrong? Oh yes, it's like this. Gotta make an instance as well. There we go. Boop. Want to make sure we create our own instance so that we can access this. Yes, I'm reading from your source code. Of course, water. Public string mod underscore version equals 1.0.0 public string we'll do that, that's fine. Alright, next we want to go ahead and create the function that we will run when the client loads up. So we're going to make public void load underscore client, and boom. Alright, so we're gonna call this later with all our functions and stuff. So, and then we need a public void stop underscore client, and we'll use this to clean up anything we need to later on. Alright, so I don't think I really have any need for this, to be honest with you. Where is this anyway? Oh, it's in here, client. Huh. Well, we don't need this stuff, so I'm getting rid of it. Delete. Boom. Alright. We've gone ahead and done this. Now we're going to need to go ahead and create a little bit of a folder, new package. And this is going to be Mixins. And inside this Mixin, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go create the Minecraft client Mixin. So the great thing about modded stuff, or the like Fabric and Forge, when you're creating them mods and stuff, you can use these things called Mixins. And let's see, what does FabricMC define? Let's see, FabricMC, and if we go to develop wiki, let's see, Mixin. Introduction to Mixins. So Mixins are a powerful and important tool to the Fabric ecosystem. The primary use case of modifying existing code in the game base. So it's basically like hooking a function, kind of. You're kind of basically just hooking a function, to be honest. So yeah. So basically, in here we're gonna go ahead and use @Mixin equals Minecraft client .class, because we will be, and then we have to import the Minecraft client. We also have to import org.sponge powered ASM Mixin, and then Mixin like that. Boop. There we go. That should fix that. What's the error here? I'll figure that in a minute. Oh, I have to. Yes, that's right. One sec. Oop, copy this. Bam, and then we do injection Mixin injection @. There we go. And then we need same thing for this Mixin injection inject along with injection dot callback info. Great. Oops. Yes, org.spongebob, guys. Bro, water, imagine if you were my step bro. How you doing, step bro? Hello, step bro. How are you? You doing good, Mr. Step bro? Anyway, after that, we can go ahead and at inject at equals at. Oh, I spelled this mixing instead of mixin. That's why the error. I'm big slow. At, and then we're gonna want to do return this way, and then I think, what is it? Method equals update window title. Yes, there we go. Like that. Then we do private void update window title callback info just in case we need to access the callback info. And then we can do this dot window dot set title to aspect network dot instance dot mod name plus this, and then we do another plus so we can append text aspect network dot instance dot mod version. There we go, and that's how we can set the window title. Next, we want to actually go ahead and hook the run function that starts the game. That way we can actually load our cheat when the game loads. And so to do that, we basically do the same thing, and we just do at inject, and we do at equals at, and then we're going to, it's at the head. So head basically means at the start of the function. Return means basically right before you're returning the function at the end of the when the function's happening. When we do at head, this is before the function even runs. If I remember correctly, I could be wrong on that though. And then we do method equals run because we want to hook the run function like that. And we do private void run callback info just in case we want to access it later on. Then we can do aspect network dot instance dot run like that. Let's go back to aspect network. Oh, it's load client, that's right. Load, I named it differently here. Alright, lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Disrupt isn't gay, he's just likes guys. God. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna let my dog out of my room because doggo wants to leave-o. There you go, doggo. Boop. There we go. He ate all the french fries and now he's like, alright, no more food here, I'm leaving. Cause dogs just be like that sometimes. It's just how they be. Alright. So this is how we go ahead and load up our client, and we're gonna want to go ahead and system dot out dot println, and we just want to make sure that we're doing it properly. So we'll do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 aspect 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like that. aspect loading, like that. Or we could do something like this, yeah. Like that, and then we do system.out print line, and then we do aspect loading client, something like that, right? Then we do system.out.print line, and we do aspect loaded client, like that, and then we go like this. Technically, we don't even need these, but like it's just easier to spot these in the console when you have things like that. You know what I mean? Activate Windows already? Forget that. Who would want to activate Windows anyway? Well, I mean, beat it. You should create a global variable to store prefix like aspect, etc. Well, aspect the network is already a global variable, so I don't really need to. Since I can already access it anywhere by just calling aspect network. You know what I mean? That way, this way we know it's loaded, and we can go ahead and test by going over to the Gradle settings. We can click on this, and then we double click on Run Client, and then we run FabricMC, Run Client. Ricky says, "Sick, bro. Used to watch your remote spy vids." Well, thank you for watching my remote spy videos. I appreciate that very much. And it's been a while since I've actually done all that stuff. Let's see, what is this? Tis error. Let's see. Oh, I also, yeah, I didn't have to open this. Packages .mixins, like that. And then we want to put our mixins in here, so we have what is it? Minecraft plant mixin, like that. That should be good. And let's go ahead and run that again, like that. Let's see if this works this time. No. I wonder if it's because I modified. Let's see. Problems. Let's see. So. Okay. Let's see. Org.SpongeBob Throwables class metadata net resource pack. Why this no work? Did I do something wrong? Did I load the project wrong? Let's see. Oops. These should be all good. Which one? Is it a help? Where we can clean? Idle. Nope. Other? Which one is the cleaning one? Publish? Verification? No? None of these? Oh, here it is. I was like, where's clean? Let's go ahead and clean. That's perfectly fine cleaning. Build setup. There really is no other clean? I could have sworn there was other clean stuff. Oh, wait. No? Oh, here it is. Let's see. These are all Eclipse stuff, but I don't have Eclipse stuff. Huh. Oh well. I'm gonna go back to Run Client. Big hacker man right now? Is that the Dolphin Hacks? It's been a little while, my boy. It's been a hot minute. Honestly, I think I just messed everything up real quick. Almost positive I messed everything up on on everything. Assets. There's no assets here. Yeah, there's no assets here. So you see, we can't really access our assets if we have no assets. Ain't that crazy? You know, it's a little rough to access your I'm stuttering. So we need. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah, that's right. I deleted it, didn't I? I probably shouldn't have, but that's fine. It's all good. We don't even care. We'll make a new package, call it client, and then we'll make aspect network client inside of it. New Java class. Bam. And this one, what? It was like implements mod initializer. Like that, and it's at override public void on initialize, my bad. Initialize on initialize like that. And we can just do system.out.println on initialize. Something like that, I guess, you know. That's fine. And then we need to make an aspect. So we need to make an assets folder here. New directory, call it assets. And then new directory aspect network. Like that. And we want to go ahead and we're going to import. I think we can, what? Let's see, import. Can I not import? Let's see. File. Icon.png. Alright, so now that we've created icon.png, I'm going to go into the files. Let's go into this source codes aspect MC like this. Go into source main resources assets aspect network, and we're gonna replace this icon.png with let me grab my normal aspect.png. Where is it? Aspect.png, and then we rename it to icon.png. Sure. There we go. That fixed it. Lovely, lovely stuff, homies. Hello, ABG Gamer. How are you doing? What kind of hat client am I making? It's a 1.16 hat client. So, I don't really know, to be honest with you. To be honest with you. Like that. That should be good, right? That should be good, right? We should actually change this, I think, right, to this. Like that, and we don't need that. Save, and we can just do that. And we're doing 1.16.4. And let's try that. Still could be wrong, but who knows. What's this client for? I just gonna make it a general all-purpose client, I guess. Let's see. What is this thrown from though? What did I mess up here? I don't think I messed anything up. Everything looks fine. Yeah, this all looks normal. I don't do not understand. Let's see. Let's try Gradle w.bat build. See if we can get some more information from this. Is it a Hypixel client or a Mindplex client or what? I think it's just gonna be. We can work towards like a Hypixel Mindplex type thing over the time, but for now I'm just kind of getting it made for ideas. Okay, so it builds properly. Oh wait, if I go to File, Settings, not Settings, File, Project Structure, we want to use, yes, we want to use that, and FabricMC out. Okay, so that's all perfectly fine. So if we do Gradle W run client now, let's see if this works. Alright, bop, 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 bop. Okay, so it fails running the client. And why is that? Okay, so it has to do with something with my Mixin. Something's wrong with my Mixin here. What could it be? Is a great question. Let's see. We don't need this, right? Like that. Is that the issue? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Nope. Still fails. I'm more confused on why though. Like, makes no sense to me. Should work perfectly fine. Is it? Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Okay, so we inject. Yeah, we want to inject at the return spot of the method update window title, which perfectly fine. And then we also want to inject on the run function. Maybe do we have to make the, let's see, inject at equals at, and we want to do this at the head of method equals stop. And we do private void stop call back info like that. And then it would be what aspect network dot instance dot stop client like that. Let's see, something like that. Any tips on starting out / making your internal external cheats? I always suggest starting external because external really helps you and allows you to experiment a lot with what you're doing, testing wise, and a bunch of other things. Plus, external is a lot easier when you're not having to deal with memory directly exactly. So yeah, I definitely suggest starting with external, and from external you can work towards an internal once you get a good handle on what's going on with the what you want to do with your cheats. And honestly, just take a look at what other people are doing. Get an idea of what you're supposed to be doing in your external. Like, for example, in an external, when you're going through all your entities, you want to have two different threads. You want to have your render thread and your update entities thread, which your update entities thread will throw any of the entities you want to you want to render and everything into a vector and keep it going like that. And put everything in a vector, and then later on just loop through that vector in your render thread. That way you're not doing all the player update entity stuff in your render thread, because that will definitely slow down your overlay. I recommend. Water says I recommend to learn assembly first, then learn how to reverse engineer and use Beatit's program as a test program, so you can steal his driver and go internal within 10 minutes. Good memes. Good memes. No, but definitely a background in assembly and reverse engineering is great to have, because you can't go wrong with that. Should I just scrap this project and restart? I might just scrap this and restart, honestly. What do you guys think? We'll just restart and fix everything up. Might probably be a better idea than trying to figure out what's wrong with this. Let's see. Maybe we can Google FabricMC. Let's see. Oh, no, not here. Let's see. Let's see. Continue. Did it not install the? Let's see. Let's clean. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean everything. So we go like this into the project folder here, aspect MC. We're gonna go ahead and delete the build files and the Gradle files. Let's go ahead and close the project real quick. There we go. Wait for the project to close. Come on, you can do it. You do it, computer. Alright, there we go. Alright, we can go ahead and delete Gradle. And we're going to go ahead and open up a PowerShell here real quick. And we're going to do Gradle w.bat. And we're going to go ahead and clean like that. If you post the link, I'll just repost it. Alright, cool. That has probably mapped everything. Let's see. And what is it? Download assets. Want to make sure we got all our assets going, and then we can go ahead and just reopen this project. And cool. Let's try running the client this time. And still erroring. So I'm just gonna restart on this real quick. Yeah, I think that's for the best real quick. Close project. I think that is what I'm gonna do. Remove. Cool. And we're just gonna go in here and we're gonna do this. delete everything there. And if we go to the Fabric Wiki and we go back here to the wiki, set up development, we can go ahead and download the Fabric example mod from here. So basically, we go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and download zip. You go ahead and open it like that, and we will put this, drag that inside here. Cool, like that. And then what are the instructions for IntelliJ? Alright, so you go import, let's see, file, so what is it, open, drive, I'm going to go to aspect, where is it, refresh, and here, source codes, like that, boom, and then we click on, what is it, build.gradle, and then we open as a project. Cool. Yeah, you wanna look at this one about all the operations, how this is the move operator and the and or XOR not operations, blah 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 blah. Instructions, my bad. Big braining. Big braining. Alright. Downloading Maven metadata.xml. Lovely, lovely. So how are you guys doing today? You guys having a good day? Hope you guys are having a great day. Lovely, lovely. Configuring project. All right, let's go ahead and read over the other instructions after this is done. We're going to import the project. After the Gradle is done setting up, close the file, close project, and reopen it. The fixed run configuration is not displaying correctly. All right, perfectly fine. He says, I'm doing good, Havoc. Once again, this client is kind of just a general client for me to learn Minecraft client stuff because I just felt like it. Maybe later on down the road we will work towards making it like bypass things like Hypixel and random things, but we'll figure that out later in the future. And 1 second. All right, cool. Lovely, look at that, everything built. And now we can go ahead and close project and reopen the project. And then here we can go ahead and edit configurations. No, I meant where is it? View tool window, Gradle. Here are all the Gradle stuff, tasks, Fabric. Yeah, so these were the ones I was looking for, like clean loom binaries, and clean loom mappings, but I couldn't find it. Let's go ahead and generate sources real quick just to make sure that it was all done. Lovely, lovely. Glad we spent a whole 45 minutes with just messing around with that. And oh my god, it's already been, what, almost 50 minutes now? That's ridiculous. From there, I'd work my way up AAC. Yeah, I would start with NCP or No Cheat Plus. When I get around to that stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and set up a server and do all that type of stuff, and get everything ready for that. And then yeah, easy, or what is it? Advanced anti-cheat is AAC. Watchdog is from Hypixel, and then you got Gwen from what is it called? Mindplex. All right. See you later, Water. Good night. I hope you have good dreams and things, and thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, man. And yeah, have a very nice night, man. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna need to clean anyway in a minute because I'm gonna go ahead and import some other stuff and when I import the GUI and stuff. All right, cool. Gen sourced. Now, if we go ahead and run client, let's see if the client will run at least in the first place. Project Java. Yeah, we'll go ahead and remove this. Bum bum bum. Yeah, Guardian is Mindplex, I believe. Yes. If I'm not mistaken. Alright, cool. So this is made from Minecraft 1.15. Doesn't really bother me. Don't really care. Testing world. I want to put it on creative. Allow cheats. Sure. Sure. Doesn't matter. Let's just go ahead and make sure everything works perfectly fine before I start messing with things again. Alright, cool. Lovely, lovely. We can go ahead and do that. And I don't want to use that package name, so I'm going to go ahead and create my own net.aspect network. Beat it. Sure. We're basically just going to new Java class. We're going to name this aspect MC, or we'll just call it aspect. And it's actually an unum. Remember, guys, we did this earlier. Like that. Boom. Instance and public mod underscore name equals aspects MC. Like that. Oh, public string mod name equals aspect MC. Public string mod version equals 1.0.0. Yeah. And then we're going to go ahead and public void run underscore client. Public void stop underscore client. Like that. Cool. Let's see. How you Lexer? How you doing? Glad to see you here. Thanks for stopping by and everything. How you doing? Krish V. I want to boost your server, but for me to do that, it says I'm banned. I don't. What server are you talking about? I am unaware of what server you are potentially talking about. Excuse me. I've got the cough. Resources. Yep, that's perfectly fine. And we can go in here and we are going to change this to net.aspect.beatit.aspect mod. Yes. New Java class aspect mod. Lovely. And then this implements, what is it? Mod initializer, that's right. And we're just gonna go ahead and copy this. Boom, like that. And perfectly all good. It's aspect network dot aspect mod. Lovely, lovely. C dot wins community. I can't really. I don't have any say in bans or unbans or anything. I'm glad to see you're doing good, Lexer. Great to hear that. Name aspect MC client. We'll just name it aspect MC. Minecraft client for Minecraft Hex client. Good meme. Authors? Yep. Obviously me. Has to be me. Sure, sure, sure. And we will put all our mixins inside of there. And we'll make a new package, call it mixins, like that. And we're going to go ahead and new Java class. And I believe, oops, let me check real quick. It was the Minecraft client mixin. That's correct. All right. Like that. And we're just going to do Mixin Minecraft client boom dot class, like that. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and private window, I believe, like that. Window, like that. Private. Actually, you have to do the inject first. Inject at equals at the return, comma method equals update window title. And this is alt enter, and we will do private void update window title. And we're going to make it a private because we don't really need to access this function or anything anywhere else. No need. So we can just keep this all local inside this file. This dot window dot set title is aspect dot instance dot mod name plus that, and then plus aspect dot instance dot mod version, like that. Lovely, lovely. We're finally back at where we were kind of just at, like, you know, only an hour ago. My God, it took that goddamn long. That's crazy. That's kind of ridiculous. Not gonna lie, that it took me that long. Inject at equals, and I'm not even fully back at where we were. We want to do this at the head, comma method equals run private void run callback info, and we will do aspect dot instance dot run client, like that, and at inject at equals at head method equals stop. God. Excuse me. Private void stop callback info just in case we want to access it later. Spec.instance.stop client. Lovely. There we go. All right, now we're finally back where we wanted, and instead of this, we could do Minecraft client Mixin, and we want to change this to aspect network dot beat it dot mixins. Lovely, and we could finally delete that, and we will delete that and delete that. Cool. So now we've got our mixins done. Oh, excuse me, God. I got like it's like I got COVID or something. Let's see. I'm trying to boost with my alt right now, and tried a VPN, and it still didn't work. Do you make spoofers? I don't make spoofers. My co-developer Alexei, or Sleepy now, um, tried to make a spoofer. I don't know where he's at with it. I'll ask him about it, but I don't know. I don't really care about spoofers. Um, Hello, player Jerdy. How you doing? Glad to see you here. All right, cool. Sorry, it takes me a little bit to catch up on chat because I get a little bit focused into what I'm doing here. Um, so from this point, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with our modules. Think I think that's where we should start. Yep, new package, modules. Inside here, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna make a new class, call it module manager. And for our module manager, we're gonna go ahead. Actually, we need to make our module first, our base module class, don't we? New Java class, module, class. All right. Before we get into this, because I know I want to use a GUI library in a little bit, we're going to go ahead and modify our build.gradle here. We're going to go ahead and modify this because we're going to be using a library called Panel Studio. Panel Studio. Right here. So we're going to be using this a simple yet flexible library to create click GUIs designed for use in Minecraft utility mods. So it's basically this. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this. We're gonna go ahead and copy this into our thing. So from that point, we can go ahead and just, sorry, 1 second. We need this. We're gonna do ID com.github. We need to do John Wrangleman.shadow, and we want to do version 5.2.0. So this library requires you to use the let's see, it asks for you to use the shadow library for something. Let me see. Yeah, shadow for the shadow stuff. So basically, we're going to go ahead and add this compatibility now. Side here. Let's see. And then from this, we need to add the repository. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so we need to go like this. And so we're going to go ahead and copy this real quick. Boom. We're going to put our repository up here, like that. And then we want our dependencies, so it would be this. So we basically just copy this and we put this down here. Like that. Technically we don't need that, we can just do this, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. And then we have to go ahead and copy this. Like that. Alright, cool. So we are going to be using Panel Studio MC. We're going to be using MC16, but the issue is So there's currently an issue with the library, I think he said. Yeah, we were having issues earlier. So let me check my messages with him. He said, what did he say? Okay, I need to go ahead and go here and open this, and we're going to MC16, and I need to go ahead and copy these 3 things like that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create this, and we're going to get a new package GUI. We're going to go do new Java class, and what is this? GL interface. Steal this like that. Now let's see. Let's go ahead and just copy this because, you know, well, we can. Actually, first, before we do that, I have to clean everything. So if I remember, to do that, we're going to go ahead, File, Close Project. We do that, we go to AspectMC, we're going to delete the build, and we're going to delete the Gradle, and we run that clean like that. This should be all good. Yo, I just saw the message in the Discord server, clicked off, then you're here in my recommendeds. Oh, dude, that's sick. Imagine being in a recommended. That's pretty crazy. Not gonna lie. Alright, then we're gonna go ahead and download assets again, just in case. JavaScript outdated as fuck, you say, but we're not using JavaScript, so it's all good. Luckily no JavaScript. I don't know JavaScript very well, so it'd be an issue if I had to code in JavaScript anyway. Let's copy everything here. Oops. We want to copy everything on the inside like this. Big brain. I'm such a big brain right now. Let me do what? Implements interface like that. And we're just gonna go ahead and import class. Import. And we need to go ahead and import everything here. I'm hoping this issue will be fixed sometime later. I need to, where is it? Import java.util list like that. Cool. Fixes that issue. Tessellator, import class, and we're just gonna what is GL11? Here it is. We need to import this manually like that. Like that. Minecraft client, import class. Oops. Like that. Import class. And we need to let's see. It's an abstract class. That's right. Tis right. Much gamer. There we go. Everything's fixed in that one. New Java class, and we need to do what? Which one's next? Minecraft GUI.java. And we're going to create a class. That. Yeah, boop. Oh, copy all this. Once again, credits to the creators of this library. Import class. Boom. Import class. Import class. Let's see. Import class. Import class. Import class. Public abstract. Did I do that? Okay, like that. Yeah, and it was Minecraft screen, right? Yes, like that. Let's see. What am I missing here? Yo, what's up, Glock? How you doing? Welcome to the stream, man. So we got click GUI. We want point. It's easier to just do that. We've got click GUI, interface, Minecraft client, screen, matrix, and local text. So what is the issue here? We'll figure it out after new Java class, and we need to, let's see if making the next one fixes it. I think should. Maybe, hopefully. We'll see. Copy this like that. Lovely stuff. Abstract class implements Minecraft GUI like that. Yeah, public aspect, blah 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 blah. Oh, it's lowercase abstract. God. Import class. Import class. Import class. Enter GUI, which would be like that. Like that, maybe? Yeah. What seems to be the issue here? Oh, is it extends? Is that what yes, it extends. Oh my god. Extends. Oh my god, wow. There we go. God, I'm so small brained. Very small brain. Oh, lovely. Great, let's see what virus this is. Oh, yes. Guys, look at this great virus. It's just a cached picture from freaking Discord Canary. Wow, how lovely. Absolutely crazy. Ain't that just crazy? Lovely stuff, guys. How you doing, Deluxe and RJKBBB Gaming? How you doing? And Gilang GGB. Nice E, GGB. Lovely. Alright. So we got this working. Alright, cool. So we don't need this, or that. We don't need this anymore. Don't need that right now. Aspect mod, don't need that. We're gonna leave the Mixin open for now. So we're gonna definitely work with that, and we're gonna do extends toggleable. There we go. So we need to extend toggleable later on for our to include our modules in our God, I can't think of what I'm blanking out here. Ah, man. Well, I already forgot what I was talking about. Modules, new Java class, call it category. And if I'm not mistaken, we can just we're gonna go ahead and make the categories of all the we can just do. I think public. Make this another unum. But category unum combat comma renderer. We can call it render. I don't know. I like renderer better here. Movement player. Yeah, player misc and other. Sure. Just anything else goes under other, I guess. No, I feel like everything other would go under miscellaneous. Yeah, that would make more sense if everything just fell under that. Alright, cool. So first we need to go ahead and do private string name. This will be the module's name. Private string a description of the module. Let's see, private category. Category, the category of the mod that we're storing it in. Private int key code. So we're going to store it in key code. Yeah. Next. We're going to put this here. Private string display text. Like that. That's the text that we're going to want to display later on down the road. And yeah. Alright. Now we can go ahead and create the constructor module. String name, comma, string description, comma, category, comma, int key code. And we just do this dot. Oh, we need to make sure bool private boolean toggled. That way we know if it's toggled or not. This dot. Actually, we should name this is toggled. Is underscore toggled. Sorry guys, I didn't read chat for a minute. I'm doing good, and I'm glad both of you guys are very good. Yeah, I hope you guys are staying well and during this COVID time. COVID's looking like a pain right now, not gonna lie. Very much a big pain. Very much a big pain that not many of us would like to be dealing with right now. We want to make sure because we want the module, we don't want the module to start toggled, so like that. So by default it will start false. This dot name equals name this dot description equals description, and this dot category equals I forgot the category equals category, and this dot keycode equals keycode. Lovely. That's crazy. And this one's actually implements. Oh my god. Yeah, we want to implement toggleable, by the way. Something like that. Like that. Okay. Next, because we are implementing this, like I say here, implement methods. We want to go ahead and implement these two, like that. The toggle will be is toggled equals not is toggled, and we will return is toggled, like that. Lovely, lovely stuff here. I'll talk to you later, Deluxe. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And hello, Vox. How you doing? Vuex? I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but sorry if I messed that up. Next, we're also going to make another constructor just in case. Just in case we want to set the is toggled to true at the start. So we're literally just going to copy this. But this time we're doing boolean is underscore toggled. Is toggled, like that. That way, just in case we want to toggle it later on, we can. Next, we're going to go ahead and modules, and we're going to make a new package, call it settings. This way we can make module settings here. New class module setting. There we go, like that, because we want to be able to like give our settings to, you know, that way we can actually use them. I don't know, maybe I'm just being silly, but you know. So we're gonna go ahead and like that, and then we're gonna do private module, and this will be the module that the setting is linked to. We want to go ahead and implement. All right, here you go, like this. Import net.aspect.network.beta.modules.module. There we go. Private string. This is going to be the name of the, you know, this is the name of the setting that we're setting. And then we're going to do private. Why don't you activate Windows? Because I'm lazy and it hasn't bothered me, so I still haven't done it, but I'll probably get around to it at some point, right? String description. Yeah, yikes. Private toggleable equals toggle equals null. We need to set it null, or later on down the road when we check the toggleable, it will just error out. So we need to at least set the value. Number setting. Number setting. Yeah, sure. Use null. Like that. Cool. No. Excuse me. I get to do that. Lovely. Like that. We got to go ahead and make the constructor. So public module setting. Module is mod, comma, string is name, comma, string description, and then toggleable, tog, we'll name it tog, why not, this dot mod, module equals mod. This dot name equals, well, name. This dot description equals description. And this dot toggle, actually we're gonna just name this toggleable, but lowercase t. This dot toggleable equals tog. Then we want to make the constructor for the number setting as well. That way we have both number setting, and we're gonna just ns this like that. Number settings equals ns. Lovely. All right, cool. And then we want to make functions to get like all the data here, because obviously these are private, so we can't really access them without being in the scope of everything here. So we're just going to do public module get module return this dot module. Technically I could just do, right, yeah, public, but I prefer doing this dot. I don't know why. I feel like it just makes me know that it's going to lead to the actual module piece, but whatever. Public string get name return this dot name. Public string get description return this dot description. And then we want to go ahead and public void set module new mod. So, this dot module equals new mod. That way we can set these things just in case later on down the road. I don't think we're ever going to need these, but might as well make them. Set name string new name. This dot name equals new name. Public void. Oh, we have to do the get and sets for toggleables as well. Forgot about that. And yeah, this public void set name void set description string new desk. This dot description equals new desk. Public void set toggleable equals toggleable new tog. This dot toggleable equals new tog. Public void set number settings, and we're just going to do the same thing. Number setting new ns. This dot number setting equals new ns, like that. All right, cool. And then we want to also make the getters for those real quick. Public toggleable get toggleable return this dot toggleable. Public public number setting get number setting return this dot number setting. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, there we go. We've made our module setting class, which we will use to set our module class here, like this. Private array list of module setting settings equals no. I don't think I needed to find that, to be honest with you. I don't think so, at least. I could be wrong. Could be wrong later down the road, but we'll find out later. I might as well just do it now. New array list of module setting. Lovely. Like that. Cool. Now we need to make the getters and setters for this. We can just basically copy this. Get name. Like this. We can copy this at least. Boom. And we can set description, set blah blah blah. Like that. And we're going to make the rest of these public category. Get category. Return this dot category. We'll do public int get keycode. Return this dot keycode. That public actually we don't need to make that one because we have this, but we do need public array list of a module setting. Get settings. Return this dot settings. Lovely. All right, that should help out with this. I think that's all we need. RJK BB Gaming says, how far are you along with the client? How long do you think it will take to finish? I don't know how long it will take to finish, about how far along I am. I'm right in the beginning stages. I just started working on this client today, but we're making some pretty good progress right now, getting all our modules and stuff set up. And I think we're looking at a good spot right now. I plan to be streaming for maybe like another half hour, maybe an hour. I don't know. So we're gonna try to get as much done as we can because we already lost 1 hour messing with setting this all up. So, that's all right. All right. So next we want to make a public void add setting. And it will be module setting ms, and then we'll do settings dot add, and we'll pass in the new module settings. And we already made this. Lovely. I'm not good reversing, but how different is this from Roblox? These two things are completely different. For Roblox, there's no source code. There's nothing. Well, I guess Roblox has the 2013 source code release or whatever it was. Yeah, Minecraft's in Java, Roblox is C++. Excuse me. Yeah. Let's see. Let's go ahead and create our module manager now. Because this is going to be where we store all our modules. So we're going to go ahead and make a private array list, and we're going to make them all module. All of them are going to be a module and modules. Boom. And we're going to make our constructor public module manager. And this dot modules equals new array list of modules, and something like that. What we do need to do is we also need an event manager. I forgot about our event manager. Man, forgetting a lot about a lot of stuff right now. Oh well, that's fine. We can go ahead and do new package dot events. Yeah, events. Then we're going to go ahead and new Java class, call it event. So you want our event class here, like that. Private, we want to make a boolean, is canceled. That way we can check if the event has been canceled, and we want to know what type of event it is. So we gotta have to create our own event types. Let's see. So, oops, private type equals type. I'll deal with that in a minute. I kind of forget what I did with that. I believe type is just event priority, but I could be wrong. One second, let me check. Let me check something. K. Yep. That's crazy. Okay, sorry. Was checking something there. I'll deal with that in a minute. So I can't remember what type is defined as. Is it just defined in my Unum class? Is that what that is? No, I don't think so. That wouldn't make sense. Sorry, give me one momento. I am very confused. Okay, cool. There we go. Oh, because I define it later on in my thing. Alright, public. We need to make the constructor event of type. This dot type equals type. And this dot is canceled equals false, because why would it be canceled in the beginning? And let's go ahead and create our Unum now. So this is why I couldn't find it, because apparently public Unum type, we want to make a pre and a post, which pre means before and post means after, obviously. So this will define if it happens before and if it happens after. But to be honest, we aren't even going to use it anyway, so we'll see though. We'll see. I might use it later on. Public void call, and we're going to do is canceled equals false. Copy onWrite array data list equals aspect dot instance dot event manager dot get this dot get class. Lovely. If data list dot equals null. It's an if statement. Return data list dot for each, then just data like that. Then we're gonna just do a try. Catch, and we're gonna do an illegal access error. or an illegal target exception. Oh, it's in invocation target exception. We need to go ahead and import that later. This will be e.print stack trace, like that. And inside here, we will go ahead and data.get target invoke data.get source, comma that. Lovely. We can just do we'll do this. I'm just gonna copy that real quick. Is underscore cancel, like that, because I don't feel like doing it all over again. Alright, cool. Next, let's go ahead and create new Java class, call it data, and we're just gonna do private object source private method equals target private event priority equals priority, excuse me, public. We're gonna make the constructor again, public data equals object source, comma method target, comma event priority equals priority. And this would be this dot source equals source, this dot target equals target, this dot priority equals priority. Lovely stuff going on here. And we're just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna copy this because being lazy right now, and boom. All right, lovely stuff. Lovely. And let's see. Kicker. And this can be resolved into javalang.reflect.method. Now we need to create new class file event priority. God, what a weird thing to spell. And this is actually an unum class. And once again, I'm just going to copy paste because I really don't care anymore. Actually, this is from my main project that I was working on recently. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to redo all this and stream it because I can. Cool. Target. Yes. We want to make this an abstract class, like that. Boom. And new Java class, we're going to call it event target. And this is public at interface. Like that. Don't need that. Excuse me. get element type dot method. At retention of retention policy dot runtime. Import request. There we go. Event priority equals priority default event priority dot low. Boom. Okay, that's all good. And then we need to make the event manager as well. New Java class event manager. All right. My God, that took so long to get to this point. Private hash map of class extends event like that, comma, copy on right array list data like that, and we're going to list registry underscore map. All right, what is also, by the way, what is wrong in here? Okay, that's the error. That's fine. Public event manager equals registry map equals new hash map. Yay! Public void register. We want to register an object. Just name it fuck it. Array dot stream o dot class dot get declared methods dot for class for each, and that's what method like that. If is method bad of method and register. If method is not bad, you want to register. Oh, and we want to do a method comma like that. Whew. All right, my bad, guys. I'm getting very sidetracked with doing what I wanted to do here. At suppress warnings, deprecation. Private void register method comma object o. That, and let's just take this like that. Can't be asked to care enough. Oh, I spelled registry wrong. Lol. Good meme. Imagine not knowing how to spell registry. Yikes. Literally me. Alright. Lovely. And then we can go into aspect and we can do event manager. Event manager equals like that. And we do event manager equals new event manager. Like that. Because, you know, when we create or we create the when we create our client, we want to go ahead and make sure everything gets enabled, obviously. Let's see. Oh, we need to make it public, by the way. Public event manager. Public module manager equals module manager. And we'll do module manager equals new module manager. Lovely. Why is this not working? What's wrong? What did I do wrong here? Let's see. Uh, oh. Okay. I guess I just... Okay, whatever. Whatever. Yes, Minecraft Java edition. Yes. I would assume you would use Java on the Java edition. That is correct. You are not wrong there. Next, we're going back to our module manager. Alright. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm finally done with all that. Finally. Lovely stuff. Alright. Now what was I doing? Ah, yes, module manager. We want to do aspect instance event manager register this public void load modules, and we're going to do that. And then we need private void add a module. That would be module, and that would be mod, like that. And we just do modules dot add mod. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Next, at event target. Excuse me, God. Public void on key. This is event keyboard. You have to create that in a minute. If e dot get action not equal glfw dot glfw underscore press. And we need a gotta go ahead and import this manually for some reason. Alright, let's go ahead and create the new events.event. Create a new package here, new Java class. We gotta call this event keyboard. Sweep this. Alright. Lovely. We're finally getting somewhere. God, it's been a pain. Not gonna lie. We need to use this, and it extends event because we obviously need to import class event. Private int key code. Private int scan code. Private int action. That's the action we're taking. Private int modifiers. Public event keyboard. Int key code, comma int scan code, comma int action, comma int modifier. And super, and then we're going to do the type dot pre because we want to do it before this dot key code equals key code. This dot scan code equals scan code, and this dot action equals action, and this dot modifiers equals modifiers, right? Lovely, lovely. And then we can just go ahead and use, we can make getters. Pretty basic stuff here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There we go, and now we can import class. Lovely stuff, people. Lovely, lovely stuff here. Lovely, lovely. We're gonna have to go ahead and make a new Mixin called keyboard Mixin new Java class called keyboard Mixin because we want to go ahead and hook the keyboard at Mixin keyboard dot class. At inject at equals at, and we want to do this in the beginning, comma method equals on key. For class, oops, and yeah, now we do that, and then we do private void on key long window handle int key code, comma int scan code, comma int action, comma int modifiers, defiers, comma callback info, info, like that, and we would do new keyboard event nope, event keyboard, that's right, event keyboard keyboard event keyboard equals new event keyboard with key code, scan code, action, modifiers. If event keyboard dot if it's not canceled, event keyboard dot call. Lovely. I don't know, just in case for some reason it gets canceled, like that. All right, module manager. Great. Lovely, lovely stuff. Okay, so here we can go ahead and do screen equals Minecraft client dot get instance dot current screen. Man, this IntelliJ idea, I like this. I was using Eclipse to originally write my client, and then I finally switched over to IntelliJ yesterday, and God, I'm so glad I did. So glad I did. If screen does not equal null, and return. That means like something's already enabled, like for example your pop-up window or things like that. And then we can do for module, and we'll call this mod, and we'll loop through all the modules that we have, and we will do if mod dot get name dot equals ignored case, and we want to oh wait, wrong thing. We want to actually dot get key code. My bad. Equals e dot get key code. Mod dot toggle, like that. Cool. That was rough. Like that. We can do the same thing for public array list. Wow, it already knows what I wanted to write. Public array list. God, things are great. Yeah, modules for from categories, that, like that. Then we just loop through all these again. Array list module a mods equals new array list of module for module mod through this dot modules if mod dot get category dot equals C, if it equals the category that we passed, and we're going to add it to our modules or mods dot add, and we will pass in mod. Simple. And then we will go ahead and return mods, just like that. That way we can get our modules via like a certain category or something. I guess we can get by name. Let's name this by category instead of from category. That makes more sense. Public module get module by name for module mod this dot modules if mod dot get name equals string name equals name return mod. And if not, we can return null. There we go. There's our module manager, which is all good looking. Lovely stuff, ain't it? Lovely, lovely stuff. Alright, so from that point on, why don't we go ahead and let's see. We're going to go ahead and create a new Mixin for our thing. But first we need to make a new event called event update tick. Yeah. That way we can just we can do what we need. Let's see. I don't need that. Bum 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 bum. Let's see. Alright. We need to go ahead and extend event like that, and we want to go ahead and import class like that, and then public event update tick, and it's type event. You just do lowercase type and super and type that. Excuse me. That way we can do that, and we're going to create a new Mixin called new Java class, and I believe it is called client player entity Mixin. At Mixin client player entity dot class, and we do at inject at equals in at the head of the tick function. It equals tick private void tick call back info event update tick event equals new event update tick type dot pre like that. If event is cancelled, if event is not cancelled, event dot call. Lovely. There we go. That way we have this for every time the game updates every tick. Great stuff. Great stuff. Let's see. What time is it? Okay, 10:05. I'll stream for about another half hour and then I'll call it a day. Because we're getting pretty close to being able to make our first module. That. Alright, cool. Our tick is done. Next we just need to go ahead and add it into our mixins. Comma key. We need to make our keyboard mixin, comma client player entity mixin. There we go. Add all our new mixins in. All good. We don't need this anymore. Don't need that. Don't need that. data. Don't need this. The event manager is all done for. Event target. All right. All right. At this point, we can go ahead and actually start making our modules now. New package. Call it module. Modules.combat. Let's do combat. What module should we create first, guys? Something simple, kind of basic. Like, what do you guys think? Can I get some information from you guys? You guys want to let me know what we should do here? Let's see. Speed, like maybe a sprint, like auto sprint, maybe. What do you think? Auto sprint? We can do auto sprint. That sounds fine. Scaffold is a little hard. That would require a lot of work for me to do that right now, because I don't have the structure set up for scaffold. Let's do always sprint. Yeah, let's do that. Modules, new package, movement, new Java class. Always sprint. Extends module. Something like that. And then we're gonna do something basic like that, right? What do you think? I don't know. I think it's a good idea. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being silly. Add crystal aura? The heck is crystal aura? Oh, like for the dragon crystals. I got you. Yeah, you could, because crystals are an entity. I don't see why you couldn't. Let's see. Public always sprint. Like that, we gotta make the constructor super sprint, comma, makes you constantly sprint when you move. Boom, comma, category dot movement, comma, glfw dot glfw underscore key underscore unknown. I don't want to bind it to a key right now. Excuse me. Like that. Then we can do at event target public void on update event update tick event, like that. MC, let's see, MC dot, oh wait, I have to go in module, right? Don't I? Yeah, where is it? Module. Minecraft client MC equals Minecraft client dot get instance. MC dot player dot set sprinting. And then we can do, we want to check, sure, let's do that for now. What does this say? Oops. Oh, I have to make it a public. That's correct. Public. There we go. Boolean should underscore sprint equals mc.player.input. Oops. Input dot movement forward. If we're moving forward, and this make sure we're moving forward, and we also want to say mc.player.input.movement sideways is greater than 0. That way we can check if excuse me, we're moving to the side. But we also want to know if mc.player.input.movement forward, and we're not sprinting. Sneaking is sneaking. As long as we're not sneaking either, we will be fine. Like that. Oh, is greater than 0. That's right. There we go. Like that. And we'll do that. Boom. I got this idea from another client I was looking at earlier, a little while ago. I forgot what client it was, but it's basically the same across most clients. At override public void on disable, we want to make sure mc.player.setSprinting is false. Wait, does module not have an... Hold up. I forgot to, in here, make the public void on enable aspect.instance.eventManager.register this public void on disable aspect.instance.eventManager.unregister this. There we go. There we go. Now we have the override function. Lovely. So theoretically, actually, yeah, let's go ahead and bind this to a key. And let's bind it to the end key real quick. So theoretically, if done properly, this should... Oh, I have to step. Module manager, we need to like this. Add what is it? IFTP. This dot add module is new, always sprint, and boom, like that. And let's go to aspect, and we need to do module manager dot load modules. There we go. Let's see, guys. Let's see if our first module works. Which version of Minecraft are you making this for? Yes, it's currently for 1.16.5. Let's see. Crystal Aura. It's for PvP, so when you place a crystal, it auto hits it. Sounds kind of dangerous, not gonna lie. If you're that close to the crystal, I mean. Yeah, Grizzly. Grizzly's greater than all. I don't know about that, but you know. Options, controls, auto jump off, video settings. Just go to boom, VSync off. Control is fine. There we go. Okay, so normally walking. If I just press W on my key, we normally walk. If I press end, it doesn't do anything. Alright, nothing happened. Let's see. Do we get an error in here? No error. What could be the issue? Oh, sprint. Control. This should work. This should be correct. Okay, here we go. Yep. Okay. What? Wait, where did I? Module manner, load module. This dot add module. Always sprint. System dot out dot print line on update. Let's go ahead and see. I don't know about that, Grizzly. Don't really know about that one, Grizzly. I don't know. R Grizzly equals true. Okay, so what does that have to do with anything? So is Grizzly's a true variable? Does that mean he's a true OG? True OG Grizzly. Okay, so it seems the event is not getting called. Event target. Key. Yeah. System.out.println on key. Save. Seems to me that it's not actually and I added it. Options, music off. I did add these. What? What did I understand? All right. OnKey works. Okay, so OnKey does work. Um, system.out.println e.get keycode, because we know always sprint's keycode is what, 222 something. Go to declaration or usage. 269. Ooh, 69. Got him. All right, let's see. End. Yep. Okay, so it works. Let's see. Let's go to always sprint. Let's do this at override public void on enable system.out.println always sprint enabled. Let me do the same thing here. Disabled. Okay, so it's not toggling the key. Yeah, yeah. What? So what is wrong here? We do mod.get keycode system.out.println. Let's redo that. Alright. What could be going wrong here? I love having to debug things. Okay, they equal. Yeah. Um. Oh, yes, I'm dumb. This dot is toggled. on enable, else on disable. There we go. That should fix it because I'm big dumb. I'm big dumb. All right. All right. If I press that, now if I press this, no, it doesn't work. Okay, it's disabled, enabled. I press it forward, and we don't automatically sprint. So that means this isn't getting called. Go to declaration or usage, and let's just type that pre. Just make it that. Let's do that, and let's just call it dot call. Boom, like that, and let's restart this. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. All right, it should work. It should. Theoretically. No, it didn't work at all. Arg. Yeah, I don't know. Yes, yes. Yeah, I don't. I don't see my issue here. Like that. Go to declaration. Yes. Okay. I don't understand. I'm highly confused right now. It's because I have not enabled that. I don't. It literally makes no sense to me. Let's see. System dot out dot println calling event update tick. And then we can do called like that. And we also know that in our module manager we don't need this anymore because we already did everything we need. We know this works, so Yep, okay. Okay, now it's working. Okay, I'm pressing W and it's automatically making me sprint. Hold shift. Yeah. So that works. Okay. I don't know what was the issue, but it literally didn't change anything, I don't think. Oh well. Good to know. We got that all done and over with. Hello, that dude. How are you? Alright, cool. We finally got our first module done. Now, guys, here's the real question. Do we end the stream now at 2 hours and 30 minutes? Or do we go for another 30 minutes working on making the GUI? What do you guys think? Let's see. What's you guys' opinions? What are your opinions? GUI. We got one for GUI. I don't know what entity just said. I do not speak Ruski. Do not speak Ruski. Alright, I'm gonna mute this guy real quick. One sec. Chat spam is just put user in timeout. There we go. There we go. There we go. Cool. All good. Everything's good. So I guess I might as well work on the GUI. And we can finish off at the 3 hour mark. That sounds, whatever it is, whatever we are at the 3 hour mark, I think that's when I'll end it. Alright. We've got our GUI stuff. So next what we're going to do is go ahead and start working on our GUI. Okay, 1 second. So, new Java class, gonna call it aspect GUI. Create class. Public class aspect GUI extends Minecraft HUD GUI like that. Private GUI interface equals GUI interface equals null. Private theme private HUD click GUI equals click GUI. Public aspect GUI equals like that, making the constructor all perfect and stuff. It will remain up. Yeah, I'll leave it on my channel. You can always find it under the streams tab. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and do GUI interface equals new GUI interface. And this will be aspect GUI slash. Okay, next we have to go ahead and do our drawing stuff, so let's go ahead and let's close our events, close our Mixins, modules. We're gonna go like this, new package, and call it utils, and new Java class drawing 2D. And from here, we're literally just gonna copy everything I got because I can't be asked to type all this by hand. Kinda crazy. There we go. And draw string equals end, and then begin. Now we're going to do drawing 2D dot draw string new matrix stack comma string, and then we need position dot x plus 2 because we don't want it right inside the lines, and then pose dot y comma c dot get rgb like that, and boom, lovely. Get font width would be drawing 2D dot get font get string width s drawing 2D dot get font height. There we go. That go ahead and create our GUI interface. Next, we're going to go ahead and hello, I Devour. How you doing? Theme equals new clear theme, which is new color scheme. Like that. Alright, and then we will do color, get active color equals color dot make it, I'll make it cyan for now, and we can decide later after we're done with this. Like that. Color dot inactive should be magenta, sure. Background, obviously color dot black. Get outline color dot white. Sure. Color dot blue. No. Green. Sure. We'll do that. Get opacity 0. We'll leave it at 0. Then we need to do comma, Control Z, oops, comma, true, why is it doing this? It's being weird. Tell it to stop indexing weird. Whatever, I can't be asked anywhere. And 2. Something like that. There we go. I don't know why this is indenting so freaking hard, but you know what? Can't be asked to like that. There we go. A little better. Let's do this. Oops. Like that. Cool. Finally, holy crap. GUI equals new HUD click GUI, and we pass GUI interface, and we don't need a description or anything. And we're going to make a number setting here. iDevour says, good, how about you? Make me free high pixel cheetahs, imagine. Well, maybe we'll get there someday. Maybe. You never know. GUI. Maybe we'll get to a point where it actually will literally bypass iPixel. Who knows? Not that it would last long, even if it did, but you know. Number setting ns equals new number setting. Get number double num. Turn num. By default, num should be 0, I guess. Set number. Num equals value. Return 10. Minimum value 0. Precision 0. Lovely. That. Cool. Int expose equals drawing 2D dot get string width of combat. Wait. String width combat times 2. And we're going to go ahead and create the combat panel times 1.25. Oh, what is an integer? Float. What is this? This is a double. Double. Sure. And then we can do draggable container equals combat underscore panel equals new draggable container. This one's gonna be for combat, comma all combat related modules, comma theme dot get container renderer, new simple toggleable false, comma new setting animation ns, comma what is this, null, comma new point of expose, comma 25, sure. Back. Oops. Then we got to do drawing 2D dot get string with combat. Yeah. Holy moly, man. That's a long boy to type out. Alright, cool. Finally, GUI.add component, and it would be combat panel. And then we do array list of module combat underscore mods equals aspect dot instance dot module manager dot get modules by category dot combat. Oh wait, this is oops. Wait, no, this is right. What does this say? Yeah, isn't that what I did? Whatever. Literally changed nothing, but whatever. For module mod combat mods collapsible container let's see. Array list module setting mod settings equals mod.get settings if module settings dot is empty, container equals new container, and I forget what the, let's see, Java docs, and we want this container instant methods. Yes. Okay. What about, oops. So we want collectible container. Okay, cool. It's just title, description. So it is mod.get name, comma, mod.get description, comma, what was it? Theme dot get container renderer, like that, and then we can just do click GUI dot add component container. What do you mean it's not a fixed component? Did you get a new mic? Your voice sounds deeper. I kind of did. Yeah, I did get a new mic. It's a headset mic though. Is it better than Dark Spoofer? What is what better than Dark Spoofer? Yeah, should work. All components to all components instead of. Huh. Is that not something I can use? Yeah. I guess it becomes a focusable component. But what is a fixed component? Let's see. Is it here? Fixed component. Let's see. There is no constructor for it. Very confused. Yes. Yeah, I don't. Am I being dumb? Oh, I am being dumb. I am very dumb. Okay, because we do combat panel dot add component container. else collapsible container equals new collapsible container, and it's mod.get name, comma mod.get description, comma theme get container under, comma new simple toggleable true, or is it false? Choose false, comma new settings animation ns, comma mod, like that. Whew. And then we just do this like that, and then we do for module setting module settings. If setting dot is, oops, I need to go to my module settings because I forgot to set this, didn't I? Module settings, module setting. Yes. Public boolean is toggleable. If this toggleable does not equal null, return true, else return false. There we go. This dot is toggleable container dot add component new boolean component. This is setting dot get name, comma setting dot get description. Should do the same thing here. Make this a little bit cleaner for me. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Theme dot get container under settings dot get toggleable, like that. There we go. And bam. Okay. Return in GUI interface. Get scrolling speed is 1. And then return click GUI. Lovely. And we're literally just going to copy and paste the same thing. And this one is for movement panel, movement, and this is what? Movement mods. This is movement mods. Lovely. Should be everything for movement. Alright, and modules, let's do new Java class. Let's just make Killora real quick, or at least define it. Extends module Killora, public Killora, super Killora, comma, attacks anything fin range, comma, category.combat, comma, glfw.glfw underscore key underscore delete. Sure. And then we're going to do boolean, private boolean. Yeah, private boolean. Let's see. We're gonna name it 19 PvP. Use 19 PvP equals true. There we go. Then we want to use toggleable. Use 19 PvP underscore toggle equals new toggleable. Toggle equals use 19 PvP equals not use 19 PvP is on return use 19 PvP. Like that. Pretty basic. And we just do add setting of new module setting. Use 1.9 PvP. Uses waits for the sword cool. Waits for the weapon cooldown. What is go to decoration? So it's yeah. Oh, I have to. Yes, we need to do this. Come on. There we go. Alright, cool. Now, if we go to. Don't need this. Don't need that. With that module manager, and we go up here. This dot add module new Killora. And if we build this, one Killora to X, yeah, probably. I'll make a thing so you can just set your own binds anyway. But is treating that wind spoofer better than dark spoofer? I don't know. I don't think treating that wind spoofer works for Rust anyway. Well, a guy that what I was looking, well, I'm unsure what that means, but you know what I didn't do? I have to make a modules new package render. Oops. New Java class show menu extends module public show menu super show menu shows the clickable GUI. Category dot renderer, comma glfw dot glw underscore key underscore r shift, right shift, like that. And I think what it's at override public void on enable. What could it be? Let me check. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. Super dot on enable. Aspect dot instance dot click. I gotta public aspect GUI click GUI. Aspect GUI dot equals new aspect GUI. Dot aspect GUI dot enter GUI, and then we need to shoot, I forget. Just 1 second. Let me my toe. Me toe hurties. Toto. Let's see. No. What's I doing? These. And then we do super. Yes. Toggle it off. Like that. Let's try this. FabricMC. Does that work? Huh. Huh. Oh, wow. Neat. That's neat. Anyway. Right shift. No? Oh, I never. Um, wait, no. Let's see. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I gotta go to my module manager. This dot add module new show menu. Ain't that neat? Ain't that neat? It is very neat. I think it was neat that I was able to pin chat. If it matters to you guys, I'm using Gamecaster. It is now free, and yeah, that's what I'm using to stream right now is Gamecaster. Ah, look at it! Ah, look at it! I forgot to change the name of it, but look at that! Look! How neat! I got my Killora settings. Hold on, let me clean this up real quick and fix it. Aspect GUI. Um, movement. All movement related modules. I think it looks nice too, yeah. Uh-huh. Alright, that should... Let's see. Okay. That doesn't work though. It's not showing the sprint one. Always sprint was obviously put in the category movement. Uh, uh, okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's a little weird. That, yeah, no, the color palette is definitely a little, not something I would choose myself, but I couldn't think of any colors, so I decided to just use them real quick. Um, uh, I don't know. Because I only know the collapsible one, but I don't want it to be collapsible. Yeah, because I don't want this. Maybe there's something else I could. I could do something with that or something. Let's see. I don't know. But we got it, guys. So look at that. We got combat. We got all our combat stuff going on here, and then we can turn this on, off, on, off. If it's on, it's green. If it's not, it's blue. Although opacity seems to not be working, maybe. Oh, I see. Yeah. Maybe opacity should be 1. Let's try 1. Yikes. Something like this. That size is less than 1. Yeah, because I don't want it clickable like that. It's weird. But whatever. Oh, I also need to fix this real quick. So we define what X position here, and suppose equal plus equal movement. Something like that, maybe. That. Oh my god, it's about to be 3 hours and 30 minutes. I've been going for so long. Well, I'll figure out the movement issue later. But it's most likely just because if I change it to a collapsible container, it'll most likely work. But I'll ask the developer to see if there's an option for it to not be a collapsible container. Because using this just isn't working. Maybe it's not, you know. Yeah, boom. Collapsible container movement panel dot add component container. Yeah, I don't see the issue there. But yeah, got the menu working, and yeah, we got a lot of progress done today. And yeah, tomorrow. I don't know if I'm maybe streaming tomorrow, or I might stream something else tomorrow. But next time we work on this, we will go ahead and work on more things, more hacks and module types that we could do. Make a COD hack, please. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really play Call of Duty plus Japan because they do all the encryption shit, and I don't really like it. You haven't seen me since Aspect External? Yeah, for the Roblox hack. Aspect Roblox External, probably, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's been a little while since then. It's probably been over a year or two since I actually worked on that. But, yeah. So we've, script for Rust. Fake Rust on Roblox got deleted. And I already make Rust hacks, so I already made a Rust hack that's actually for sales, so not doing that as of now, at least. I could probably make a Rust cheat for like cracked, but yeah. Once again, thank you everybody who has stopped by for the whole stream, decided to talk here, or even just watch for a minute. You know, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And I think I'm gonna head off now. But yeah, I don't know when my next stream is. I want to stream tomorrow. I just don't know what I want to stream. Not really sure yet. We'll figure it out. But I'm hoping to stream tomorrow. If I don't stream, then I don't know what's gonna happen. But you know, we've got a lot done today, so I'm pretty happy with where we are. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Peace.